Hello kids, today we are going to be talking about 5 senses.
I can't wait to learn about the 5 senses.
Let's explore. Today we will talk about living things have senses that help them survive. These are 5 senses: tasting, touching, smelling, hearing, and seeing. People like us have 5 senses. Now, it's time to explore all our 5 senses. Ready? Here we go. Now, seeing is one of our senses, and we do that with
Our eyes.
right. We see with our eyes. Our sense of sight is very important. It allows us to observe all kinds of things in our environment, like where we should walk to keep safe, where our food is located.
Mom, my favorite place is to go to the zoo. I love seeing the animals. And also, I noticed that when I was playing blindfold game, I couldn't see anything. So without our sense of sight, we can't see anything even if it's right in front of us.
That's right, sweetie.
I have a quick question. Do animals have senses like us?
Absolutely. A lot of animals see with their eyes, just like we do. They use sight in order to hunt and find food, like a tiger. And did you know? Eagle have a excellent eyesight and its vision is 8 times sharper than a human's. Eagle is admired all over the world as a symbol of power, freedom, and a transcendence.
So cool! Do plants have a sense of sight?
Obviously, plants don't have eyes, but they can sense the colors like red light and far red light and blue light. Now let's learn about sense of touch. And we touch with our
hands.
excellent. Our hands are used for touching, and touching lets us know information about objects, allows you to tell if something is hot or cold. They register pain, which you only know because of your sense of touch.
Okay, I get my sense of touch now, but what about the animals?
Animals use their sense of touch a lot like we do. Did you know? Manatees have a super sense of touch. And manatees called as the ability to touch.
But what does the ability to touch really mean?
That means they can feel things without even touching them, even if those things are really far away.
Do plants have a sense of touch? Because I learned about touch me not plant, but I'm not really sure about it.
Touch me not plant. When anyone touches this plant, it closes its leaves.
Wow, that's amazing.
Also, we have a sense of smell, which we do with
Our nose.
thanks to our sense of smell, and we know if things smell good or bad.
Ew, gross.
Many animals use their noses to smell even better than humans. Did you know? Bears have the best sense of smell of any animals on earth, and Its sense of smell is more than 2000 times better than a human.
That's awesome.
Hearing is another sense, and we hear with our.
Our ears.
That's right, with our ears we can hear all sort of things.
It's like listening to the songs on the TV. Can animals hear that?
Yes, they can. Many animals have a great sense of hearing. Did you know bats have the best hearing of all land mammals? They often have huge ears compared to the rest of the body.
So cool. Mom, can plants hear sound?
This may surprise you. Many scientists believed that plants have sense of sound. Even without ears, there is evidence that certain plants respond to the buzzing of bees by releasing nectar. But this is too crazy for you. You might check it out in internet right now. Our final sense is taste, and we do that with.
We taste with our tongue.
That's right, taste lets you know what flavor food has and what food you should or you shouldn't eat.
Mom, I feel thirsty. I'm gonna get some lemonade. It's sour.
Animals with tongues use them to taste. Did you know the catfish have a best sense of taste? Humans have 7,000 taste buds, but catfish has 27,000.
Wow! Animals and plants use their senses in a lot of the same ways we do.
You got it.
Mom! I'm so excited to make slime for our do-it-yourself project.
Okay, let's start.
Hello, this is Maya here today. We're going to be making amazing slime, and it's also kids-friendly. You guys are probably wondering, why is it kids-friendly? Because it's borax-free, and borax is bad for our skin. This slime can also be used for cleaning keyboards or any other hard places to reach. Get started. For this project, you will need glue, food dye, eye contact lens solution, baking soda, and if you like, you could add baby oil. Okay, let's get started. So first, I'm going to be adding half a cup of glue, I'm going to be adding a few drops of food dye. And I'm going to stir it. So now I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm going to stir it. Now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of eye contact lens solution as my activator. I'm going to be mixing it. It's getting really good after adding my activator. I'm going to be adding a few drops of baby oil to make my slime less stickier and more stretchier. Guys, can you see that? class. Bye-bye. See you soon. I hope you enjoyed making slime with me today.
I know this slime is supposed to be for kids, but I could seriously play this for hours. Okay, it's time for story time. Let's get started. Seeking Five Senses.
Hi, I am Maya. This is my baby brother Luke. Today, I'm going to teach Luke all about the five senses: touch, taste, see, hear, and smell. Do you want to learn them too? Great! Let's get started. Come on, Luke. You have to keep up. We can start with touch. Luke, do you see that basketball over there? Well, it was Dad's special basketball when he was little. He got it from a famous basketball player. Here, let me give it to you. You can touch the ball.
Oh no! Maya, how many times do I have to tell you not to touch the basketball? Take your brother and play somewhere else.
Sorry, Dad. Come on, Luke. Dad was not happy that we touched his basketball. Let's go to the kitchen and see what we can taste. Mommy made her famous chocolate cake. Let's taste it. Here's your bottle, Luke. Try not to make a mess.
Oh no! You both spoiled your dinner. Now look at you both. Go get cleaned up. I don't want you to come back in the kitchen until I call you for dinner.
Sorry, Mom. Let's go, Luke. I told you not to make a mess. Now what's next? Oh yeah, things you could see. Let's go to the living room so we could see a movie. Okay, Luke, this is a TV, and we use our eyes to see the moving pictures. Let's get closer so we can see better.
Maya, Luke, do not get too close or you will hurt your eyes.
I'm sorry, Rebecca. I didn't know. Do you hear that, Luke? It sounds like music. Let's go in so we can hear it better. Noah is so good at playing the drums. Let's join in, Luke. Maya, please go play with Luke in your room. I'm practicing and both of you are not in tune with music. You can come back later when I'm ready to perform. Okay, Noah. We'll be back. Let's go, Luke. Okay, Luke. We're on our last of the five senses. But what should we smell? Let's try to sniff real hard and see if we could smell something. I smell something. Do you smell that too? It smells like, ew, gross. I guess we're done with the five senses.